I seen this video the other day, and I'm gonna be honest with you, it was disturbing, man. I don't think I've ever, in my 30 some odd years of being on this earth, have ever seen anything like this. Here we have a brother that looks normal, right? He looks pretty normal with the little hat on or whatnot. We're gonna get into the video, man, and we're just gonna have to dissect this thing. I literally could not believe what I was watching and what I was hearing. Here we go.
Some issues with finances. I have tried to show him how to take care of this in a better format. I paid off all of his credit cards to start fresh. Mm-hmm. We were developing in our relationship heavily, and we wanted to eventually move in together. Mm-hmm. And so this was a goal to do that.
Hold on. Hey, first of all, I wish I had that little thing. She said she paid all his bills. All his credit card bills. What you doing? What you doing, brother? You messing up. Yeah, see, that's another thing. Her voice is kind of throwing me off.
I thought it was him. That's why I started.
Oh, wow. Okay, we already started with the shenanigans.
Pause. What are you thinking?
She's missing so many parts of that story. I paid back half of that I borrowed, and then I had literally lost my job maybe a month after that. Okay. I really wanted to take care of it on my own.
Afterwards, he re-racked the cards. He re-racked them all back up. He didn't stop there. We needed to get him a new bed because he wanted me to come over more often. But
I want y'all to pay attention, all right? Things are about to go left. Like, way left. Again, I've never, in my 30-some odd years, I've never seen anything like that.
I can't sleep on a twin. I'm too big of a person. Mm-hmm. So if you want to pay me back for the bed, you can put it on my account.
Yeah.
And in that moment, he took it upon himself to buy a 60-inch TV and to buy a video game for $180.
And
all on my credit without asking me.
And then we talked about it. That's the shit that bothers me. She came to me and was upset about it, and we talked about it. I said, I'm sorry, we're gonna move in together. Like, you know what? I'm buying it for us so we have like another TV. That's the thought process I had.
Okay, so
you know what I mean? I know that it wasn't okay.
But hold on, Clinton. What do you imagine?
I know she felt mad and
so why not make some room for that?
Because I'm not allowed to express myself.
No.
What's the issue, Clinton?
I don't know. I'm really overwhelmed, okay?
Can I guess?
Yeah, okay.
Was that helpful?
Yeah.
Does it make you feel incompetent? Does it make you feel shame?
Yes. I don't have the words all the time.
Mm-hmm.
But it feels like I'm constantly being looked down upon. Like I can't take care of things.
Mm-hmm.
In our...
No, don't laugh. Y'all, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, this is a serious matter. Yo, when I tell you I was bugging out. Like, I'm gonna be honest with you. Like, normally clips like this, I normally just scroll past. But what threw me off first was her voice, because I was just like, wait, what's going on, man? Like that ain't supposed to be coming. I'm trying to be serious. That ain't supposed to be coming out of her mouth. Okay, no, we're gonna get through this. And then as I started to listen or whatever, I was paying close attention, right, to that man's body language. I was like, oh Lord, man.
She's convincing though. Most big women are, when they're in a relationship with the black man, they are really, I've seen it with my own two eyes, not just in one person, but multiple times I've seen it where the big white lady is overpowering the black man.
Come on now, man. No. Listen, man. Look, I don't believe in putting your hands on anybody, but in some cases, bro, you a grown. Listen, you are a grown man. I've never. Like, starting off, it was normal though, right? It seemed like it was very, very normal. He's just sitting here just drinking, listening. We just having like a regular conversation. And then out of nowhere, this thing just went all the way left.
And he started thinking about them whooping getting behind closed doors.
Throwing a whole temper tantrum. But, okay, let's bring it back, right? You as a grown man, she gave you the opportunity to go out and buy a bed. But you took it upon yourself to go and get a flat screen TV and a game system. And then you got the nerve to say, I was doing this for us. All right? No. Let me restart this live stream. This thing going. Oh, no.
He's acting like a 5-year-old, like when he's throwing those temper tantrums and talking about he act like he getting put down. Dude, you supposed to go, that lady gave you her money or whatever the case may be, credit card for you to go and buy out a bed, to sleep in. Because the one you got, evidently, is too big for it.
But my thing is, again, starting off, she said, listen, I paid off all of his credit card bill. Good. You ain't got to worry about nothing. Then he not only went back and re-racked them things, he started using he took her credit card. Oh, I'm gonna do you a better one. No, man, but like stuff like this was honestly, listen, we joke and we laugh, but this is really disturbing, man. Like on a whole nother level. You got a grown man sitting here throwing temper tantrums because the only thing she wanted you to do was to go out and buy a bed. She can't fit in that twin, brother. That boy like, listen, I see the 60-inch TV. I see this queen. 60-inch queen. Oh, and the game? Hey, we getting that game system, cuz. That boy was cheesing going back home. Right? She got to stop being so selfish, dog. Crazy. But no, man, I seen that. I had to bring that up, man, to kick off the stream because I was like, yo, we gonna get this thing started on a whole nother level. What are y'all thoughts? What would y'all do if y'all was in that situation? If you had a man. No, you're not listening to me. It's time. It's a wrap, brother.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah, you good. But yeah, man, just fellas, we got to do better, man. Yeah, we definitely got to hold these guys accountable. There is no reason in the world you should be acting like that, brother. No reason at all. Again, I'm trying to give some great, like, she literally paid all your credit card bills off. Man, you know them things, 5, 6K, something like that. Well, knowing him, he probably didn't have good credit. They probably only gave him a thigh. You only got 1,000. And your boy keep maxing it out.
Blueberry, Burberry, button up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa.